the most shabulized Iloilo.
Next to interpret is Congresswoman Jam Baronda.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chair. Since we're talking about war on drugs and at the same time human rights, I may be allowed to ask question regarding this is regarding HOR number 1346 and HOR 1351. Previously,
Congresswoman Baronda, may I know, that's a House resolution.
yes, Mr. Chair.
And is this related to the
Yes,
issue?
of course, Mr. Chair. This is somehow related to war on drugs and human rights.
Okay, you have 5 minutes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chairman, I read the summary of Chairperson's report on HR 1346 and HR 1351 that Police Colonel Sherto previously included Michael Yang in 2017 report to the PNP as a person with known links to the illegal drug trade. Despite the said report, nothing was done by PNP against Michael Yang, knowing that he was then close to the former president. I recall that it was also in 2017 that former president described our city as the most shabulized city in the Philippines. Such labeling made by the former president caused much shame to our city and to its resident. And I would like to direct this question to PDEA and PNP. Does the record support the claim of the former president in 2017 that Iloilo City was the most shabulized city in the Philippines?
PNP? The question is directed to the Philippine National Police.
May we be clarified, Your Honors, as to what kind of report that is?
My question is, does the record support the claim of the former president in 2017 that Iloilo City was the most shabulized city in the Philippines? Or can you please answer or give me some proof or number of top 50 list of cities and provinces? The case on drugs, at the same time, list of officials of Iloilo City that's included in the list in the war on drugs. I am asking this, Mr. Chair, because my city has been linked to as I was being called as the most shabulized city of our country.
The most
Shabulized city of the country.
shabulized.
Yes.
Oh, shabulized.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Ang tanong ko,
Your Honors, Mr. Chair, our apologies that we cannot respond to the question as of this time in the absence of the record that being referred to, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, kasi I can recall previously that in a public forum that was held on August 8, 2017, PDEA Regional Director then, Hil Pabiona, and Iloilo City Director Senior Superintendent Remo Zacarias Canieso categorically declared that former Mayor Jed Patrick Mabilog was never included in the list of personalities engaged in the illegal drug trade or protector. Again, my question, Mr. Chair, to PDEA PNP is whether former
Your Honors, if you would allow us to refer later on the question with the Directorate for Intelligence, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang po na malaman kasi sinasabi ko ito. Kasi Mayor Jed Patrick Mabilog is known to be the number 5 world because of his fear of his life. Umalis siya after attending a summit in Japan because he was advised not to come home. Kasi alam naman natin na very vocal ang dating presidente na si Mayor Jed Mabilog na yan. Pilit na ina-accuse na protector ng droga. Although, and second Kalahi Festival ng Bulwagang Kalahi ng Tarlac, na sinabi niya na pag bumalik si Mayor Jed, papatayin ko yan kasi drug protector yan. But up until now, wala kaming may nakita or listahan from PDEA or PNP na si Jed sangkot sa illegal drug trade or protector. Ang gusto ko lang malaman dito, Mr. Chair, we need to give due recognition or kailangan natin, kumbaga, mayor nga namin, most outstanding mayor, Kuban, tulad ng iba na hindi nabigyan ng hustisya. Mr. Chair, you know what? Siguro kung gustuhin man ng Quad Commission na ito, I might be able to convince Mayor Jed na umuwi so that we can also ask for his statement. Anong nangyari sa kanya? To shed light obligation now as the first Congresswoman of the Lone District of Iloilo City to clear the label given by the former president to our city in 2017. As the most shabolized city.
Discuss and perhaps come up with a resolution in order that the shabulized tag issue to the beautiful more time to discuss this. And we do hope that in the subsequent hearings of the Quadcom, we'll be able to tackle that particular issue.
Yes, again, Mr. Chair, thank you so much. And I would like to reiterate that I would like to ask PDEA and PNP if the local government officials in the city of Iloilo that were included in their drug list in 2017.
Okay.
If we can have it by next week, Mr. Chair.
Yes, may I ask that PDEA comply?
Shabolay City to again,
Thank you.
Iloilo City, City of Love. Thank you so much, Mr. Chair, and the rest of the chair of this committee.
Thank you, Congresswoman Baronda.
Dati nang sinabi ni Pangulong Duterte na most shabulized o may pinakamaraming shabu sa bansa ang Iloilo. Sa kanyang talumpati noong Agosto 2016, sinabi niyang tutugunan niya ito. Inisa-isa rin niya noon ang mga opisyal sa Iloilo na sangkot umano sa droga. Kabilang sina Iloilo City Mayor Jed Mabilog, Kalinog Mayor Alex Centena, Carles Mayor Sigfredo Betita at Maasin Mayor Mariano Malones. Dati nang humarap ang apat sa PNP headquarters sa Camp Crame sa Quezon City, pero hindi ikinulong.
The most shabulized, is that the word? The shabulized, is there such a word, shabulized? You don't say that. Wala akong personal sa kanila, ha? Iloilo. Sabi ko noon when I was campaigning actually, lahat ng tao doon. Lahat ng tao. Mayor, kung maaari, tulungan mo kami. Noon ako sa Iloilo, many times. Almost desperate. Mayor Andruga. So we just pray that I will win, and maybe in the fullness of God's time, I will take care of this problem.